right? So you can just type, build me the thing. I've started multiple software companies in my life, and platform risk or dependency risk was something that I thought about so often. It was so important. If you're a vibe coder and you have no history of writing code, it is a chat interface, and viewing code is secondary. On one of these services, I don't even think about the dependency risk. I don't think about any of these things anymore. And that's super important. We're actually understanding the code less than ever. Are we shipping slop? The thing that actually gets deployed isn't always what I understood it to be. I actually really like this feature. We're shipping code we don't fully understand. I'm shipping more than ever. I'm having more fun doing so than ever. Also have this anxiety around the code I'm writing. You say 1 + 1 = 2. But that's not how natural language works. Very similar to me not reading any of the code, I didn't think much about the services I was using. It is physically impossible to review AI code. Are we shipping slop? AI is really good at reading and writing code. Shipping code at ridiculous speed without actually reviewing any of the code manually. I don't remember ever asking for that. I don't write any code by hand anymore. The person right here not understanding what's going on under the hood. Definitely. I actually really like this feature, and I don't think much else about it. Writing more code than ever. We are offloading more of our decisions to AI during the coding process, during the building process. And I say, well, oh, that sounds great. The models are getting better. They're writing better code, and it was great. And not reviewing code is not a bug. It is a feature. It is intentional. It is where the industry is headed. We don't fully understand the functionality we're building, which is perfect. It is not fuzzy. We don't fully understand what we're shipping. We won't be able to understand it. The companies that are on the frontier of shipping are not reading their code. Knowing the fundamentals of code still very much matters. Are we shipping slop?